Hi students, I am discussing about the pyrrole. Pyrrole is the aromatic heterocyclic 5-membered ring compound. 5-membered is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Heterocyclic is nothing but in the cyclic system they present in the one of the heteroatom. That's why this compound is heterocyclic. And aromatic. This aromatic property I will discuss later. This pyrrole nucleus mainly found in the chlorophyll, that is coloring matter of the leaves, hemoglobin, that is coloring matter of the blood, bilirubin, that coloring matter of the bile, and containing to the vitamin B12 and alkaloids and antibiotics. The pyrrole nucleus found majorly these structures. Preparation of pyrrole: acetylene react with ammonia in presence of red hot tube by the formation of pyrrole. Second one method, by passing to the furan mixture of furan and ammonia in presence of remover alumina 480 degrees set to 490 by the formation of pyrrole, removal of water. Third one method, succinamide compound reduction to the by the formation of pyrrole. If the succinamide convert to the keto form, convert to the enol. These are two tautomers. This is keto form, this is enol form. The enol form react with zinc by the Frost is reduction, convert to the pyrrole. This is the preparation of the pyrrole. Properties of pyrrole. Properties of pyrrole. Pyrrole compound is mainly colorless liquid. Colorless liquid. These are strangely soluble in water. Strangely soluble in water. Complete soluble in alcohol. Complete soluble in alcohol solvents. Generally, these are in this pyrrole ring present in a majority of the non-polar groups. That's why these are majorly soluble to the alcoholic solvents. That's why strangely soluble in water. Pyrrole compound is aromatic. Pyrrole compound is aromatic. This compound is cyclic, planar. Every carbon has to sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization. Bond angle 120 degrees. This is a conjugated system. Lone pair, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond. This is a conjugated system. They satisfy to the Huckel rule. 4n plus 2 is equal to 5 electrons. This is number of rings. One ring. 4 into 1 plus 2 is equal to 6 electrons. 6, 5 electrons. These are 2, 4, 6. Weakly basic drug. Pyrrole is the weakly basic drug. Why? Because in this pyrrole ring, the lone pair of electrons participation in the delocalization. The lone pair of electrons, 5 electrons are participation in the delocalization. That's why the lone pair of availability is less. What is the base means? Accept the proton. How to accept? How to accept means the basic compound they donate to the lone pair of electrons, they accept to the proton. In this pyrrole compound, the lone pair of electrons and pi electrons are participation in the delocalization. That's why the lone pair of electrons availability is less. That's why the compound is weakly basic drug. Lone pair of electrons is not available. Pyrrole is weakly basic than pyridine. Pyridine, the lone pair of electrons is available. That's why easily accept to the proton. Compared to the pyrrole, the lone pair of electrons is not available. That's why pyrrole is weakly basic than pyridine. This is a weakly acid drug. What is acid means? Donation to the proton. In this structure, the nitrogen containing to the sufficient of electrons. The nitrogen not easily donate to the hydrogen. Not easily donate to the hydrogen. That's why the compound is weakly basic drug. This is the properties of pyrroles. Reactivity, orientation of pyrrole. This is the structure of the pyrrole. In this structure, mainly reaction positions are major 2 positions, second position and third position. But pyrrole containing to the 5 positions, major positions are only 2 positions. Why? Because the reagent react with these places, the product is the Same, that's why the pyrrole positions are major in the two position. In these two positions, which position is major? Which position is major? That's why they write to the resonance structures of the pyrrole, second position and third position. Pyrrole react with the second position by the using of pi electrons attached to the electrophile. This carbon carries positive charge. At the same time, this is aromatic compound. React with electrophile, they loses to the aromaticity by the formation of carbocation. Then electron shifted to the this one. This carbon carries positive charge, and nitrogen donated to the electrons. Nitrogen carries positive charge. Finally, removal of hydrogen. Resonance stabilized by the formation of pyrrole. In this first step, the pyrrole compound is the losses to the aromaticity. After resonance stabilization, removal of hydrogen, the gaining of aromaticity. Losses to the aromaticity, gaining of aromaticity, gaining of aromaticity, gaining of aromaticity. Here the electrophile react with the third position. This carbon carries positive charge. Then nitrogen donate to the electrons. The nitrogen carries to the positive charge. Then removal of hydrogen. This electron shifted to the inside by the formation of pyrrole. This position also, the first pyrrole react with electrophile, the losses to the aromaticity. Then removal of, after resonance stabilization, removal of hydrogen by the formation of pyrrole. This is also gaining of aromaticity, gaining of aromaticity. In this pyrrole compound, electrophilic substitution is the major. Why? Because in this pyrrole compound, the double bonds are present. The double bonds are present. In case of addition reactions, the pyrrole compound losses to the aromatic stabilization. That's why in pyrrole compound, the addition reactions are very less. And in this pyrrole compound, in this pyrrole compound, the pi electrons are lone pair of electrons. The pi electrons and lone pair of electrons delocalized. These delocalized electrons responsible for the nucleophilicity. That's why the nucleophile does not enter to the pyrrole ring. Only electrophile, by the using of these pi electrons, attack to the second positions and third positions. Which position is major means, in the second position, 3 resonance structures are the formed. Third position, 2 resonance structures are the formed. More resonance structures, more stable. Resonance directly proportional to the stability. That's why the second position, more resonance and more stable, that's why is the major. This is the reactivity and orientation.